through the lie, babe. Since so 12, the flame been hot just to show you the time frame. 100 mil down on my desk, but I'm still up deciding. Mashing M's in my account to the truck in my driveway. I'm in that photo by myself. Know it's 100 more niggas outside. Know they gon' ride to the death. Years, ain't no way I get tired. I gotta do what I feel. Every day
Whoa!
I put a lot on myself. And then for Richard Mill, I'm like Odell. She slid ahead, never been.
Okay, here we go. Spot number 2. It looks pretty good through there. Okay. Okay. Oh! Oh, I had one! This is the first time I've ever fished this bridge. I don't feel like wading it today just because wading by yourself is pretty boring. Dude, I'm telling you, Bigfoot. They're real. They're in Ohio. Fish on. No, smallie. Guys, we freaking did it. We finally got our creeks. Fish on. Oh, I think it's a big, like, weird looking bluegill thing. It's that, oh no. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Okay, this is different. This is a hybrid. Maybe just a pump. I think it's a green sunfish pumpkin seed hybrid. That is what I'm guessing this is. It's really pretty. It's got these orange tips right here, the greenish blue, and then it's got that oranges on the thing, and it's kind of just got that orangish yellow. It's another fish if I had my koi pond done I would definitely take, but we're gonna let bro go. We're gonna go right there. He's chilling. See, he's going right back to his home.
Through the lie, babe. Since so 12, the flame been hot just to show you the time frame.